guys, we found a cup here. Mighty God, for the whole family. That's a birthday breakfast for you. Yeah. I think they have like. Hey guys, back again. The birthday celebration continues. Happy birthday, guys! Yes. Hey, Fimi Energy out here. As I can see, a beer rain a fall. A beer rain a fall. New Orleans is one of David's favorite place. So we normally come here like every year, and we never get to go last year because of the whole Rona thing. And one of the things that we love out here is them food. The oysters and the beignets. That is the reason why we are here. Only the food. To eat, that is it. Guys, we are gonna try getting as much as we can, but just keep enjoying the vlog. And remember to tell baby happy birthday in the comment section.
And thank you everybody who's already said happy birthday. Thank you.
Let's go. Inside of the mall. Yeah. Find an umbrella. The rain not gonna stop today and tomorrow. Alright.
That's what I said. It's right next to the water.
Yeah.
I understand why you want to bring us downtown and around my life.
The GPS always do its own thing.
That's beautiful. A big magnolia tree.
Pretty. So the other year when we did there, people used to break dance out here, so I was sitting over here, so I eat hot dog.
Hot dog.
Yeah, man, it's so good. Best hot dog in the world. And we are here. Oh, we made it. We had to take a stop and get an umbrella, CVS. Oh, and I said to myself, at Desire. It's me now. Hot chocolate right as so. Workouts. Nine. Alright guys, so this is how it looks. Hold on now. So kind of fluffy. Almost like a hot donut type of thing. And the hot chocolate. This is it. This is it. This is baby. Alright guys, so Kevin has his book. Gotta check it out if you're ever in a flea market in New Orleans. Yes, very nice. It's about the struggle, a lot of history, his personal life. Trust me. Beautiful.
Where y'all from?
Orlando.
Orlando, Florida. Beautiful.
In the flea market, guys, walking around. They're kind of different from the last time when I come here. Let's say 6 feet apart, everything, social distancing. It's a good look. It is a good look. Oh, one. So, the day I reached at the oyster house and it locked, like temporarily closed. You know who ignorant? Upset. Alright, now we just go. Then I casino. Then I casino, you know, we just go. Lloyd. Happy birthday, girl. Happy birthday. So the goal is to win, guys. We're not gamblers. We're not gambling all the time. We just play around with the machine and win. Time like this. Yeah. You win? Where's it? Not bad. Not bad. Alright, my turn. Hungry. Bet down, bet up. Start with the bet down. Okay. You win $8 so we call it a day. Talk to me now. We're not going too bad. No. Africa Road. Love to see it. You win. No, really, you want to switch? Alright guys, so we'll find another ACMC to get the oysters, and man, here's a line. Yep, there's a line. And also the problem notice, you have a change. Yes, instead of red, people left right and center. Here is a disaster, everything. Breathe. Man, we have to change and reboot and come over. So now we're in our line and wait. You see it? Alright guys, so we are at the oyster house. We made it 10 years later, we find it. We just have to wait right now, we just put in the order 4 dozen. 4 dozen. Yeah, oyster? Yeah. And it has to be chargrilled, so it can't be regular, we're not eating regular. We're really glad we get our oysters because that's one of the main reasons why we come here, and we already got the Beignets, so yeah, after this then we can go home. That's alright. Alright guys, the oysters is here. Maybe you're happy? It's burning hot. Another round enough. See that? For the second dozen. Copy. If I finish up, I'm gonna go find mine. Oh, it's here. Alright. Thank you. Woo. My heart. I know, right? Gosh. Guys, this is it.